Thanksgiving is a week from Thursday, and state health officials are deeply concerned about a potential surge of COVID cases. Nikki Schenfeld follows up.
Experts say this could be the biggest super spreader event to date, and they're urging everyone to follow the recommendations. Before finalizing Thanksgiving dinner plans, consider this warning from the state.
We're headed for potentially the super spreader holiday of all time, which is Thanksgiving.
A recent cluster report by the state health department showed COVID cases are spreading due to family gatherings.
Thanksgiving is one of the most wonderful holidays, but it is also built to have people together for too long and too close.
With more than 1,400 active cases statewide, Green says hospitalizations could increase quickly.
I think we're going to start seeing a general uptick like we've seen in the last 8 or 10 days. That is significant because then if you add to that a super spreader date of Thanksgiving, if that happens, we could find ourselves back in a very challenging winter.
On Friday, Queens Health System projected a surge leading to more than 400 COVID patients by January.
If Queens gets overrun and they're turning people away from care at Queens, you know we're going to have a really scary and dangerous situation on our hands.
Green says people should remain in their household bubble and not go house to house to visit relatives. And if another household joins you, wear a mask.
You need to spread out, be 6 feet apart, because you'll have to take your mask off to dine together. That is so critical because 2 different bubbles, even if they're family members, are just as likely to pose one another risk as a stranger would.
Gather outside, gather in small groups. Try and limit your interactions with folks outside of your household just for this one holiday season.
Green also suggests people get a test 2 to 3 days before Thanksgiving.
If you're cold, if you're feeling cold symptoms, if you have scratchy throat or shortness of breath or anything at all, absolutely don't go to the family Thanksgiving dinner and get a test beforehand.
They also recommend speaking with family members and Kupuna ahead of time to see what they feel safe doing.
So you don't end up in a situation where you have regret because a family member was exposed in a way that could have been prevented.
Nikki Schenfeld, KH12 News, working for Hawaii.
And no, that wasn't a real rainbow outside the Lieutenant Governor's window. It was a backdrop with a rainbow. Honolulu Mayor Kirk Caldwell says he's concerned Oahu will not reach